And this was the crossbow that we used. And it's supposed to shoot about 390 feet a second. All right, we bought out the big gun now. This here is a 5110 cartridge. It's a 510 caliber and is a 535 grain solid bronze bullet. We're going to shoot that into that clay and see how it compares to this crossbow bolt that went 35 inches through it. And this is a 223 casing, just for comparison, or a 5.56. And we're going to take it and shoot that target and see what we do in that clay. All right, this thing comes with this little thing here. You slide it in there, bring these two strings down, hook it over there and there, and then you put the crank on it and start cranking. Handle, you stick it on here, you just go to cranking. There she is. You hear that loud click? And she's locked in. And you just uncrank this a little bit, pull that baby off there, and you're ready to go. All right, let's put the crossbow bolt in there. I like to call them arrows, but I know they're bolts, so. All right, we had to change it up some. We're gonna try to impact with that arrow and see where it'll stop. I'll probably slide this up a little bit. And we'll see how much penetration we get, then we'll shoot a bullet and see how much we get. All right, one more again. Hopefully this arrow will fly more straight this time. I don't think it did though. Let's see if we can check out where it went. Oh, it come out over here. I think it damaged it hitting that bucket. But we'll get a measurement on that. Impacting in there. Looks like that's about even. We're looking at 37 inches of penetration. That arrow's had it, looks like. That right there got crooked. All right, bullet next. All right, let's see what we can find out. We can find that bullet. As you can see, the bullet no doubt made it to at least here because it blew all that clay off there. It didn't come through that bucket. Let's see if we can find it. Where? Oh, look at it right there. It's a bullet right there. So, to the end of the bullet, it looks like about 28, 29 inches. So almost the same as the arrow. Obviously there must be some rocks in that clay. There we have that bullet after penetrating almost the same distance the arrow did. A lot more power on this bullet though. You see what it did? You see the devastation?